So I've been using these butt connectors since the 1970s and have found them to work really well. To make a good weatherproof connection, we're going to use butt connectors. We're going to use shrink wrap. We're going to act like we're going to connect a fuse holder. This is an ATC fuse holder. You can see I have an ATC fuse in it. We're going to connect an ATC fuse holder to a source of electricity. Might be connected to the battery. You might use another butt connector and attach it to a hot wire, probably pre-fuse. So they do have different sizes of these shrink wraps. This size that I usually use them on the blue and red. The yellow is a little bit tight. So what I'm going to try to do here, just for the sake of the video, because I don't have a larger size of shrink wrap, I tried putting it on first. I'm going to go ahead and strip the end on the fuse holder. And I find the 12 gauge, strip the end, and I should be able to feel when this goes in and be able to crimp it still. I can look here and make sure it's all the way in. Okay, you can see it's all the way in. I'm going to go ahead and take my crimpers now, put it on the large size because it's yellow. Make sure the wire's all the way in. Okay. We're going to try it again. Patience, it'll work. That's all you need. Doesn't hurt to give it a little bit of a twist here and make sure the wires stay together. I've got my crimper all ready. Go ahead and shove her in. It's all the way in. There it is. Make sure the crimper's up where it needs to be here. Oh no, it comes out again. Here we go. It's all the way in. It's all the way in. I crimp it. Crimper good and tight. Tug on it, make sure it's not coming out. And then we're ready to go ahead, heat up the shrink wrap. That'll work. We have it sealed. I'm going to cut another piece here. We'll shove it on for the next connection. Going to use a blue connector here. Have to strip it first. You see on your stripper you have different sizes here. It's 14 gauge. So I'm going to go to the 14 gauge size. I'm sorry, I said 14. I'm using 12 gauge. Okay. Then we use the butt connector. Now I'm going to use the smaller size here since it's blue. Make sure the wire's in all the way. Crush her real good. Make sure I've got a good connection there. I do. Now I'm going to take my 12 gauge wire. We'll strip a little section of that, just about, half an inch, not even half an inch. Make sure we're on the 14 gauge. I'm sorry, 12 gauge. Keep getting the wires mixed up. Shove that in there. Get my butt crusher. Small size on the butt crusher. Make sure you're in the middle part. Make sure the wire's in all the way. Crush that baby, crusher. Make sure you got a good connection. Pull her good and hard. Make sure you're at least an inch on each side. Take your heat gun. Shrink wrap her down. It does get hot. See, the heat gun's only like $20, $25 or something. It's not expensive. This is a Bauer from Harbor Freight. The shrink wrap, you can get it almost pretty much any parts store. Butt connectors are available in hardware stores, parts stores. This shrink wrap is in Dorman packaging. So there you have it. There you have a good connection. So this end would go to your electric source. You could hook that to the battery. You've got a fuse. This end's going to go to your switch, and then after the switch, it's going to go down to whatever component you're wiring up. That makes it nice and easy. Nice and easy. Now, after you finish your wiring, make sure you use zip ties and to secure and make those make your connections real good. The strippers these are Craftsman. Number of places make them, and I like this style the best because it really does a nice job. Get good side cuts. These are channel locks. I feel they're the best. They're expensive, but they're the best. And this is just a Thomas and Betts crimper, and this is an old one, but I use it all the time. I like it. So there again, you're going to use blue for 12 gauge. You're going to use red for 14 gauge. You're going to use yellow for 10 gauge. Thank you for watching.